yes. Man, that's what I'm talking about. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Vuzix Computer Solutions. So I made a video about the Vuzix headset, the video headset that I absolutely love here, right? And I want to give you a follow-up video on this headset, and I'm going to kind of give you my thoughts on what I think about it. I've been having it for about a couple of months now, and I've been using it a lot, and I'm going to give you my thoughts about it. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo, and follow me on this journey. Woo, let's go. Let's have some fun. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So I've been using the Vuzix headphones for a while now. I've been having it for a few months, and I've been pretty much using it a lot to play games and looking at a lot of content. It's more of a VR experience, and if you watch my first video, I would leave that link down in the description below. That I've absolutely loved these here. Shout out to Vuzix for sending these out for me, and I can tell you that one of the things that I like about these headphones, these VR headphones, is the drivers. The sound that come out of these cups here is absolutely amazing. It gets you sucked in really good when using the headphones. And as you saw, I was playing some Call of Duty. I'm a Call of Duty fan. Going all the way back to the old Call of Duties, and playing it with the VR headphones is absolutely amazing. So basically, you got 1080p screens that's in here, and when you put them on, you get sucked in the experience, which is a good thing. So one of the things that I do like about these headphones is all about the sound quality to me, right? Even though it does have 1080p screens on here, but it's all about the sound quality. So right here, you get a lot of controls. You get your bright mode here. You can go brighter, lower. Also, you got your volume controls that you can go up and down on your volume, and also an equalizer. So one of the things about this headset is that it is weighty. It does have a tether that you have to tether this to a phone or a PC. Now, let me tell you, I try to use this on a phone. I don't think the phone has enough power to drive this. So when they're trying to hook it up via HDMI to a phone, it didn't work for me. But I do have it to a PC, and it works just great. And you do hook it up via HDMI. So coming from the PC to the headset, this is where you get your immersive experience. And I can tell you, it is a very good experience at that. It is a little weighty. It does have some heft to it, but you know, you have to get used to it. One of the biggest reasons to buy this is the sound quality. I mean, look at the drivers on this thing. Oh my God, I can tell you that putting this on, turning it all the way up, you are sucked into the experience. But overall, I'm loving it. I really do love it. So basically, when you put it on, you get this immersive experience. Now, right now, I see everything that's on my computer screen. And picking up my joystick here. All right, picking up my joystick, I'm ready to go. Now, what are the pros of having this is that it don't matter how you turn your head, the computer screen will always be centered. Another thing that I like about this, again, we're talking about the sound quality. The sound quality here is absolutely amazing. One of the cons that I have about this headset is that the battery life. Now, I've gotten about 3 hours of battery life, but if I crank the brightness all the way up a little bit and I'm playing very intense games with the volume all the way up, I tend to have less battery life. I'm going to give this headset 2 thumbs up because I like the very good experience that you get with these video headphones. And again, the sound quality is like no other. The 1080p screens on here is very good. The only thing that I don't like about it is the battery life is not that great. About 2.5, 3 hours of battery life if you're not plugged in. Also the tether, and it is a little weighty. But other than that, it is a very good headset. This is Eric from Vuzix Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about that Vuzix headphones in all its glory. Man, I like this. That's why I like to do follow-up videos, because I want to give y'all guys my long-term use on some of this product that I have. See you guys on the next video. Peace.